Hello everyone, minasan konnichiwa. Welcome back to my channel, Cal Wanders. Today we're going to visit my friend's garden shop and cafe in city of Suzaka in Nagano Prefecture, Japan. Are you ready for an adventure? Ikimashou. Let's go. I've known Isamu-san for over 20 years. Recently, he has expanded his shop to include a cafe and a second garden. This is my first time visiting, so I was overwhelmed by the beauty of the entire place. His philosophy is designing a natural space. Let's explore the main garden. Wow, I'm surrounded by so many gorgeous plants here. Isamu Taguchi has been running this shop since year 2000, and in 2023, Barnes Garden was added to include rest huts. What do we have here?
This is a grape field for wine. ここはワイン用のブドウ園です。You can have lunch here.
Oh, very nice and peaceful.
Yes, and there's a goat that sometimes comes here. It helps eat the weeds. This is the kitchen garden. Some vegetables have been harvested and used for salad at the cafe.
いいですね. I'd like to come back for lunch one day. Oh, I see you have some tomatoes left. Wow, this is such a cute cafe. Plenty of garden view seating to enjoy the flowers. Let's take a look at the menu here. 2 types of picnic set meals and 2 types of desserts, as well as non-alcoholic specialty juices and coffee. Since we already had lunch, Isamu-san recommended the chocolate cheesecake and iced coffee. What do we have here?
These are specialty juices. There are 5 types. Some are blended, some are single grape. The grapes are harvested from the vineyard here.
Oh, very interesting. I'll purchase a bottle of Merlot grape juice. Wow, this is so sweet.
I reconstructed this place 2 years ago. It used to be an apple orchard, but I redesigned the space.
Oh, it's very nice. Looks like a meadow.
This is an old barn. I make stuff and do repairs here. In the future, I might turn it into a warehouse gallery.
Oh, and here you have a nice little rest hut.
Yes, but we sometimes sell bread and cake here.
That sounds wonderful. And you have some nice apple trees here. Isamu-san, how did you choose to start your shop in Nagano?
I was just browsing the internet. At first, I was thinking of mountain areas near Tokyo, but it would be inconvenient to reach. This location is more accessible because it's only 5 minutes from the highway exit.
Oh, you have another rest hut here.
Yes, I built this hut so patrons can bring their pastries and meals from the cafe to eat here. These young plants are sold and you can take them home right away.
So many cute little plants.
Yes, for large plants, we take your order and deliver it, or you can pick up here. In addition to the small plants, you can take home. This indoor shop has countless cute goods ranging from kitchenware, home decor, vintage lampshade, mobile, scarves, and pottery.
Everything's so pretty here. I feel like I could make this my home. Look at these wreaths. Oh, and you even have an antique wood stove from Norway.
Yes, we use it daily in the winter. It even has a heated countertop.
Isamu-san, arigatou gozaimashita. Wow, thanks for showing me around your garden shop. I can't believe there's a vineyard, cafe, and so many cute huts. This is a great place to come shop, smell the flowers, grab a sandwich to eat in the garden. I will definitely come back and get another bottle of gourmet juice and seasonal flowers.
どういたしまして。Come by any time. The garden is pretty in all seasons.